Available on projects. Each one of the different items is going to have the check boxes available, which is available on projects. What does that mean? Projects gives you the opportunity to add 3 different line items here. The first, of course, is your designs. The second is designs specific to the selected customer. And the third is items from inventory. The list, when you first get the program, is pretty extensive because a lot of those available on projects boxes are checked. Note there's a 3 dots down there. If you click on that, that actually means there are a lot more items that you can see. These are items that you are telling CratePro, hey, I will sell that independent of a crate design at a different pricing markup. Well, that may be true, but there may be a lot of items in there that you absolutely would not sell. Where CratePro is going to get the pricing is in Preferences Pricing. It's going to use this when sold on project. These are items that will get their own line item and have a different markup than what you use in a design, at least usually. And you, of course, would set the markup based on the category here. This is the general category based on this and based on inventory. So let's go back to inventory, and we're going to do plywood. I am going to do a separate video for the lumber because it has a lot more steps. Okay. What we've got marked available on projects, level A, level B, and level C. What that means is I would sell this 3/4 inch CDX plywood by the square foot, by the sheet, or by the unit, which is actually containing 30 sheets. Well, maybe I do, and maybe I don't. What I need to tell CratePro is, what would I sell independent of the crates themselves? What would I give as a separate line item? Probably I don't want to give them by the square foot, and I probably wouldn't sell them 30. So I'm just going to leave sheet. I might sell this customer or any customer, even if it's one customer once in a blue moon, just leave the box checked. Okay, so I would sell by the sheet to my customer at $27.50. Okay, my cost per sheet is $22, but I am going to mark it up 25%. This 25% is coming from the Preferences Pricing tab that I just showed you, which indicated for plywood, I mark it up 25%. If I don't, if I want to change this markup for this individual item, I can just click in here, and now CratePro for 3/4 inch CDX, if I sell it by the sheet, will mark it up 32% or sell it at this dollar amount. This available on projects is only used for items that you would sell independent of the crate design, straight out of your inventory as a separate line item. So as you're going through your inventory, if you don't sell something ever, okay, separate from the designs or anything else, just go ahead and uncheck these boxes so you can get a manageable list instead of this really long list. Now note, level C, I've got unit here, but I don't sell this item independent of my crate designs. So there's no reason to have it. I just get rid of it. So if there's items in level C, D, E, and F, you do not sell them on a project, then you want to go ahead and just delete them because you just want to make sure this is cleaned up. Lumber is just a little bit different, but every other category, okay, no matter what it is, if you don't sell that item in that unit of measure, uncheck the box. This does not have to be done immediately, okay? It will help you as you decide to add any inventory items to clean it up and get everything nice and neat.